Hello and welcome to Film It, Share It. It's never been easier or cheaper to make videos, and more teachers are getting the film directing bug. In this series we're showing some great examples of videos made by teachers for teachers. And if you're inspired to pick up a camera, we've got a top tip to help you produce really good videos for sharing online. In this programme we're looking at videos which teachers have made as teaching resources and then shared by uploading them onto websites like Teachers TV, TeacherTube or YouTube. This first video is from Stephen Bishop, a maths teacher from the City of Bristol College. He made this video for his maths GCSE set as a last-minute revision aid. It's a great use of video, clever and very simple.
We choose x as 0. What we have to do is find out when x is 0 what the value of y is. So to do that we plug the value of x into here, or we substitute that value of x into this equation. So here I have x is 0, so my y value then will be 2 lots of 0, because x is times 2 here, plus 1. 2 zeros are 0, add 1, gives me 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. And when x is 3, y is 7. So what I now do is have to plot these points onto the graph. So the first point was x is 0. Remember, this is the x-axis going along. The y-axis comes up. So here we've got the 0 value. So when x is 0, so we're going 0, come up to y, which is 1, put a mark there.
Fantastic! I'd have found that useful. Video has been used in schools for years to bring the outside world into the classroom. Traditionally, it's been in the form of TV programmes. Now, of course, you can pick up a camera yourself, which means you can tailor your video to suit your own classroom practice and then share your good ideas. This clip is from America, where science teacher Thomas Altman has applied maths to the real world, something not always that obvious in class.
Here we are in Springfield, Massachusetts, home of the Basketball Hall of Fame. You can recognize the Basketball Hall of Fame because of the building that's shaped kind of like a basketball, and because of this huge tower that has, as you may have guessed, a basketball at the very top of it. Our task is to find out how tall this tower is. So what we need to do is a couple of things. One, we have to find the angle that we're viewing at.
I've built this real simple device for measuring angle. Start with a protractor, one that's got a hole in it. You tape a straw to the top of it, and you put a string through that hole, and at the bottom of the string you hang a weight. So here we are out in the field. We look through the straw and we sight it in on the basketball. Now let's read and see what we get.
And I'm recording 10, 20, 30, about 39 degrees. So now what I need to do is measure the distance to the base of that tower, and I've got my trusty trundle wheel.
Before we see the next video, let's hear from the principal of Priory Community School in Weston-super-Mare. Teachers at his school make lots of videos on topics ranging from the right kind of breakfast to eat before an exam to revision resources. They then upload the videos to YouTube, a great way to engage with their students. The results have been really positive. Here's Principal Neville Coles.
We made the videos to engage students, Year 11s in particular, in the exam season last summer. So there are 23 videos on our website at Priory Community School. We know a lot of them are using YouTube in the evenings, therefore we found it very important that we try to engage with their technology. I'm not keen for staff to script stuff, they're busy people. If they want to use YouTube, as myself and Andy do here, that's fine, it's not script.
And this is one of the videos, a physics revision resource, which one of his teachers made.
Today we've brought in an invited audience to ask us about a few questions concerning what they want to know about the physics core exam which is occurring tomorrow. So, first question please, the lady with the flowers on her hat please.
Yes, good morning. What do we have to know about the EM spectrum?
Okay, thank you very much for that question. That's a very valuable question. The electromagnetic spectrum, there's 3 things you've really got to concentrate on. First of all, you've got to know it in order. Okay, starting from the radio, going to the gamma, you've got to know it in order, and the uses and dangers of each bit. So you need to know your microwaves. Yes, they can cook you, but they're dead useful for communicating with satellites or cooking food.
Finally, a clip from a video made by Apijay School in New Delhi, shown as part of the Teachers TV Action Teacher Video series. Pupils at the school put objects that describe themselves into boxes and sent them to a school they're linked with in Manchester. The British students did the same. This video follows the Indian pupils as they pack their own boxes and unpack the boxes from the UK.
The children are enthusiastically packing some gifts for their friends in UK.
I am going to put this storybook which I got on my 7th birthday. This is a Brahmin one. It is a good luck charm and we tie it at the entrance of our houses. Let us now close the box. Now it is ready to go to UK.
I love the way that shows how alike children are, whatever their culture. If you want to see any of these videos in full, you can find the links on the page associated with this programme on the Teachers TV website. And now, here are our top tips.
When making videos, it's tempting to download music or incorporate photos or video clips from websites. But this could be illegal if you don't clear the copyright. This means getting permission from the creator and the publisher, who may want payment for the use of their material. To get round this, use royalty-free images or music. A list of some websites offering this can be found on the page associated with this programme on the Teachers TV website. And remember, you must get written permission for any children appearing in your video.
That's it for now, and if you've been inspired and would like to share your videos, you can do this via one of the groups on the Teachers TV website. Bye-bye.